Hey there. Want to invest in high-priced stocks like Amazon or Google but don't have thousands for a full share? Buying fractional shares on Schwab lets you own a piece of any S&P 500 company with any dollar amount. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to buy them. This feature is called Stock Slices. Log into your Schwab account, search for any company in the S&P 500, and click Trade. Instead of shares, select Stock Slices. You can choose from preset dollar amounts, like $5, $10, $50, etc., or enter your own custom amount. Place your order, and Schwab will purchase a fractional slice of that stock. You can even buy slices of multiple S&P 500 companies in a single trade. My crucial pro tip? Use this for automatic investing. Set up a recurring purchase of stock slices. Investing $100 every month into a basket of companies you believe in is a fantastic way to build a diversified portfolio automatically, starting with very little. That's how you make the entire market accessible, no matter your budget. Which slice of a big company would you buy first? Let me know in the comments. If guides that democratize investing excite you, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.